Hi there! I'm super excited to show you an amazing feature that we have developed over the past weeks, which is to group different rooms into categories. And how to do that, I will show you now. So if you have your rooms on the left hand side, and as you can see in other videos, you can really simply create a room by clicking on create room. Say this is a test room. You can of course add a description here. And also images, but also then adding different apps and so on. You can check this out in different videos. But let's focus on how to group those rooms. So I'm creating a new room, as you can see here. The room was now created successfully. And now you can see that it's a little bit of a messy structure here with all the different rooms just listed like that, and they all look kind of the same. So what you can do now is simply clicking on this little edit icon here and say create a category. Then you can select a title that you think fits to the category. For example, let's categorize all the sponsor booths here. So you can give it a name, and then you can see that there will be displayed a little image, and you can either upload your own image for this area, or you can take suggestions from a connected photo library that we have connected here. I really like that one. I like the mountains. So you can also decide if you want to show the title for the for this area or not, because if you upload an image it already includes the title, that you might not want to have it. And you can also decide if you want to allow attendees to create rooms within this area or not. Furthermore, you have some options to change the color of the text here if you want, but let's just leave it as is for now. You can save it as a draft or directly create it. So if you save it as a draft, you will see that it's still hidden here. And if you now want to make it available for everybody, you simply right click on it. And then you can see you can go back and edit it, you can unhide it, delete it, or if you have multiple categories, you can reorder them. So let's just unhide. Cool. Now we have this category, you can click into it, and you will see there's no room. If you want, you can create a room here, but you can also assign existing rooms into those areas. So for example, we have here just Startup Safari or the Virtual Tours room, which includes sponsor booths. So I can simply go into this room, say edit, and you can see here that you can assign this room to a category. And if you open the drop down, all the categories that you have already established will be visible here. So you simply click on assign sponsor booth, save, and now this room is gone from this overview. And if you click on sponsor booth, you will see this virtual tours room in here. So super simple, super easy. Let's go one step further, create a second category, say fun games, and again choose an image that suits you, that looks good, create the category. And now if you wanna select a different room, for example, we have here a music lovers room, which sounds fun. Again, you can edit this room and you can assign it to the fun games room, but now this is also really cool. If you want to have one room assigned to multiple categories, you can simply do that by assigning now also the sponsor booth. So if we save it now, you see the room is gone from this general overview, but if you click on fun games, you will see the room in here, but also you will see it if you go to the sponsor booth. So you can assign one or single rooms to separate categories. Furthermore, you can reorder those rooms. By clicking on them, you can reorder the categories, you can decide which one should be first, simply reorder them, and create new rooms, reorder rooms. But to manage the categories, it's mainly about right-clicking on the category itself. You can also decide to hide the categories temporarily if you want, or then also to unhide if you want your attendees to be able to see those. Furthermore, if you want to delete one of the categories, you simply right click on it, you say delete the category. Important to mention that it's written there, the rooms will not be deleted automatically itself. They will be moved to the main area again, so they're now back here. If you want to delete a room, you simply right click on the three buttons and say archive room, and then the room will not be visible anymore. As always, we are looking forward to receiving your feedback. Don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you so much. Bye bye.